Ilan ang views mo, Inday? Hindi ko nasilip, Inday. Gi-play kita pero hindi ko nasilip. Ano ko muna yung 5 hours mo. Parang na-play ko 3 hours pa lang today. Inday. 6K yata. Wow. Pag may 6K ako, okay na kaay ko. Okay na kaay ko. Ayan, Inday, 6K. 6K nga views, okay na kaay ko niyan. Pero, mahaba kasi yung mo eh. Huwag mag-live ako mamaya. Huwag oo, hindi kita i-play. Na-play na kita 3 hours lang. Dito ako kang Mamsi. Wow, noodle. Oo, hindi kita i-play mamaya. Bukas na naman pag Ambing, dan ako playing Ambing. Mixed vlog. Ambing mixed vlog. Sarap. Sarap, Mamsi. Saan na si Bradley Kate? Atong ipin si Bradley Kate. Kay VIP yan ni VIP na ni Asis Aris. Okay, Inday, hindi kita i-play ulit. Mamaya, bukas na kita i-play pag wala kang live. Kate Bradley, thank you. Which your country you have? Are you living, Kate Bradley, USA? As a Vermont Green Mountain. Photos. USA, good. I'm watching also your video, Kate. When you are the live from Arisbergo 88. So I visit your video, but I didn't comment. I did not comment it. Kate, puntahan kita, Kate. I going to your house, Kate. I going to your video. What your, like and watching, Kate. Kate Bradley. Watching ako dito, Kate. Watching, Kate. I like the full watch, Kate. Like and watching. Too much snow. Too much snow. It's also cold in your country. I'm being mixed, TV. Ano eh?